Here's the biggest forgotten secret in business. What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons with the Clean Biz Network. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the biggest forgotten secrets in business, and it goes overlooked so often, and this is why a lot of companies fail or don't grow as big as they can grow. And it's this, and you might say, okay, well, how come you know and all these other companies don't know? I don't know, right? But I'm going to tell you anyway. All right, so here we go. It's customer retention. Customer retention is one of the things that's so forgotten in business. People are always looking to acquire customers, but they're not always looking to take care of the customers that they already have. Okay, you look at a company, look at the phone companies, look at the cable companies, all of these different service providers. What's the first thing that they always do? They always run specials for the new customers, right? They want to grab new customers, and they run these crazy, ridiculous deals on phones and on the price of the service per month to get you in the door, right? And then once you're in the door, they just basically neglect you. They jack up their prices. They sneakily add on different fees. You know what I mean? And they just try to lock you in a contract. All these different things, right? When in reality, if you really want to keep that business sustainable and you really want to decrease your customer loss rate, then what you need to do is take care of the people that you already have. Okay, don't spend so much time into sales and acquiring customers and advertisement if you're not even taking care of the customers you already have. You know, that's one of my main keys, and probably the number one thing I always teach when people ask me, how do you grow your cleaning business fast? How do you grow your cleaning franchise so fast? I take care of the customers I already have. I clean my ass off. Don't y'all hear me say that enough, right? So I'm cleaning my ass off. I make sure my people clean their ass off. I make sure we inspect and take care of what we already have. So that way, when I want to go to the franchise and ask them for more business, they'll be more than happy to give it to me because they know I'm going to take care of it. When I want to go out and I want to find new customers as an independent owner, I can use those current customers as references because they know that I do a good job, okay? If you don't take care of what you already have, why would you expect to get more? That goes hand in hand. That's law of attraction right there. You got to appreciate what you already have, take care of what you already have, and then you can be giving more, okay? Like if you can't even manage $10, how you supposed to get 100 if you can't even manage the 10? Use that 10, flip it, invest it, and turn it into 100, okay? That's how the world works, okay? That's how the law of exchange works, okay? So take care of what you already have. That's the secret, okay? That's the secret. Like I said before, and the video I uploaded yesterday about my biggest mistake when I put my business on autopilot was that I had a system in place for taking care of the customers that I had, but I didn't have a system in place for growing the company. I was the reverse, okay? So I was so focused on customer retention, but I wasn't focused on customer acquisition. So what I'm telling you is most companies, big companies in particular, make the mistake of only focusing on customer acquisition. And so what you have to make sure that you do is you do both, okay? Do both. Focus on customer acquisition as well as customer retention. Make sure that you're keeping what you already have. And another good thing about customer retention too is upsells. You can make so much money in the customers that you already have, whether it be through stripping waxes, whether it be to increase a service. Maybe they want to go from 2 days a week to 3 days a week, okay? Maybe you might get some tips or a bonus or anything, okay? Maybe you might even build into your contract where you raise the rates 1% every year or 10% every year or whatever the case may be. I actually have a contract like that, okay? So, but what you have to do is make sure that you're taking care of the customers that you already have before you even think about going to try to grow your business to get more customers, okay? Take care of what you have first, and then once you can do that and maintain that, then you put that system in place to start looking for more customers, okay? So that's the biggest secret. If you don't know nothing else, that's what number one thing you need to know is take care of what you got, clean your ass off, put that good service in, put that good work in, and do exactly what you said you was going to do in that contract when you signed it. Simple as that. If you don't want to do what's in the scope of work, then you shouldn't sign a contract saying that you will do it, okay? Simple as that. AJ Simmons for the Clean Biz Network. Thank y'all for watching. Enjoy your weekend.
Always thinking how to earn more. That's why I got money schemes bigger than Howard Stern knows. I'ma go get rich today and leave my daughter's mouth closed like stores on Christmas Day. Cause it's a lot of people hoping I fail. So I'm pissed like when I heard Zimmerman posted his bill. but it's cool, watch me prove I'm wrong. My grind remind me of the smell of porta potties, and that's usually strong. So I'm eating good in the neighborhood. No